Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege Card. The RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege Card is a premium travel rewards credit card targeted at frequent travelers who value high-end travel benefits and significant rewards accumulation. Key features include a generous welcome bonus, access to airport lounges worldwide, travel insurance, and the ability to redeem Avion points for flights and other travel-related expenses. Their website provides details on the specific benefits and fees associated with the card. The card boasts competitive rewards rates and a straightforward points redemption system, although the annual fee is substantial. It positions itself as a premium offering, focusing on high-value benefits rather than broad accessibility. Availability is limited to approved applicants, and eligibility is determined by RBC's credit assessment. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using the RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege Card. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The online application was straightforward, and I received my card within a week. Navigating the online portal to track points and manage my account was intuitive and well-designed. I particularly appreciated the detailed travel insurance coverage information easily accessible online. I used the card for several flights and hotel bookings, and the points redemption process was smooth and efficient. I was able to redeem my points for a round-trip flight to Europe without any issues. I had a quick question about a specific travel benefit and their customer support responded promptly via phone. A standout feature for me was definitely the airport lounge access. It made my travel experience significantly more comfortable. One minor drawback was the high annual fee, although the benefits justify the cost for my level of travel. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege Card. While the high annual fee is a consideration, the substantial rewards and premium travel benefits make it a worthwhile investment for frequent travelers like myself. That's my overview of the RBC Avion Visa Infinite Privilege Card. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.